Yeah, we'll continue with the previous video where we have gone through the mobile evaluation method. Now I'll show you about the desktop or maybe in the laptop how to evaluate without a digital pen. So let us go through the Google Classroom, and which I've gone through is like AE. There is a papers. Now I need to evaluate this. Let me go through the one paper which has been to select. I will explain you with an example how to evaluate. So let me select one paper. Kindly bear with me. So here, after going through this paper, usually what we'll do is like we'll go through the paper evaluation here. We'll award marks directly over here. Let's say for 15, 16, whatever we awarded here, directly we'll enter it. But individually the marks correction will not be given, where we'll find difficulty in entering our individual marks for COP or matrix, whatever, for the NBA or whatever. So as far as you can also go with another method by giving the rubrics and all. So the simplest method is to evaluate with individual marks by digital evaluation without the pen is select this in the right corner, the files, open in new window. After this I will tell you step by step how to evaluate. So after opening the paper in new window, on the top right corner you will find open with Google Docs. Select here open with Lumen PDF. Select Lumen PDF. So once you select Lumen PDF, you can create an account directly with the Google. So connect to Google Drive. Select connect to Google Drive. So once it has been connected, you can log in with a free account. It will ask you for the paid version, which is not required for our simple evaluation method. Free account is sufficient for us. So they will ask you after 30 days free, you can upgrade free. It's not required. Generally for the simple tools for a single pen, it is sufficient with a free account. So quickly I will explain you what are the tools which is required for the evaluation here. So on the top right corner here you have a viewer, in which mode you want to view. Here after evaluation you can share this file or you can download this file. You can print. Different options is given here. You can zoom in, zoom out with the different percentages over here. You can rotate the paper. Suppose sometimes the paper students is showing us in a horizontal landscape method. You can also rotate that paper to the vertical one, and you can have a different controls. You can add some text to this. You can add some image to this, and you can also add some signature. After evaluation, if you want to have a digital sign, select this and you can select this digital signature. You can have two different modes of digital signature, and you can also add some text to this at the end to have some comments. So this is the important one for our evaluation, which we do not require a digital pen. So select a freehand tool, and here you can select a different colors. Whatever you have, you can select opacity with 100% and thickness is 5 points, which I have selected. So now I will explain you of the simple example method how to evaluate this. So select with this method. I am just simply awarding with the example one. So you can select in this way. You can go through this each and every line, and you can select the marks accordingly, individual questions which will help you out for your NBA. In this way you can evaluate. So after this you can award the marks. You can digitally sign here, or you can select a digital signature, and you can add some comment to this, or like improve after this post this comment. So that comment will be posted to the students, they can check. So the very important step after evaluation is like we have to sync. You have to select the sync to Google Drive here. Once you select this sync to Google Drive itself, then automatically whatever the evaluation you have done, it will be saved, or else it will not be saved. Okay, so select the sync, it will be syncing now. So once it is done, now I've added 17 marks, right? So I will go to that paper and I will add 17 marks to this, and you can have some private comments also here itself. As you know, aware of this, you can post this, and now 17 marks has been added, so I can return the paper. So now I've returned the paper. Now we'll verify whether the evaluation which has been done, it is properly done or not. I will verify it. I'll go to the turned papers for 22 November. Let me go through the 22 November. Yeah, here is the paper. So I will open that paper and I will check whether it has been done properly or not. Students also can view the same file after evaluation. So if you have any comments also, they will check that comments there itself. Yes, see, I have added 17 marks here and I have given the comment over here. It is opening. Yeah, done. So now we can see the paper has been evaluated. Whatever the corrections you have done, it has been automatically saved. The students also can check with the same paper, it will be visible to them in the same way. So whatever individual marks it has been given, they can verify that. Okay, so here there is a comment, they can also reply over there, and this is the method for evaluation of your mid exam through laptop or desktop, whatever, without a digital pen. Hope this video is clear for everyone. It is helpful. Thank you for watching the video.